Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Chrome this site is restricted error. So in order to fix Chrome this site is restricted error on your device, you could follow these steps. So basically, you could go with the basic check, that is your internet connection. So head over to your settings on your device and check for network and internet here. You could go ahead and check your internet and restart it, or maybe restart your router as well. That can also be able to help. And if the issue still persists on, you could also clear your cache and browser or cookies. So for that, what you need is just exit, long press the Chrome application, click on app info, come to the storage and cache, make sure to click on clear cache. And clearing your storage can also be able to help. You could go and click on free of space as well, and this way you could be able to help. If the issue still persists on, and if you're using any sort of VPN or maybe extension, you could try disabling that, and that should be able to help you out to fix. So these are a couple things you could try to fix Chrome. This site is restricted. And if nothing works out, you could also restart your device and maybe try using a different account that could be able to help. So these are things you could consider checking. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.